Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Camille Chanel, and in today's video I'll be talking to you about how to comb through or otherwise detangle fine curly hair. Fine hair is more common than you think. I say that to say you're not alone. You are not the only one dealing with this long, daunting process of dragging a comb through your hair and trying to get through all those snags, hoping that you still have hair at the end of the process. I'm with you on that. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 time-saving tips that will make detangling a lot less of a challenging process and a lot less scary for you and your hair. So, grab your notebooks, grab your shower caps, and let's head to the best place to detangle curly hair. The shower! Which brings me to my first tip. Never detangle dry hair. Always wet your hair before doing any kind of combing or detangling. You'll want your hair drenched in water for our next step, applying conditioner. You can use any conditioner you have for this. I apply my conditioner towards the mid area of my hair and then I just pull it through with my fingers, being mindful of any snag. That way if I feel them, I can just go ahead and work them out with my fingers. Please feel free to add water as necessary. After all, water does make the world go round. After moving the conditioner through my hair with my hands, I proceed to sectioning my hair. You'll want to section your hair wherever it gives, meaning don't rip and tear at your hair. Just separate it wherever it comes apart most easily. Once you have your sections, you've guessed it, we're going to go in with more conditioner. When you feel ready, it's time to move on to detangling. You want to detangle with a wide tooth comb, never a detangling brush. Even though it says detangling, fam, it is not for our fine hair. Detangling brushes tend to still yank and pull at our hair, and our hair will still break in the midst of a detangling brush. So when detangling with a comb, you want to start at the ends of your hair and work your way upwards. Never start detangling from the roots. Okay? If you need to, separate your hair into smaller sections, but continue combing through your hair from the ends to the root. As I work the comb upwards towards the root, I try to be very mindful of areas where my comb meets resistance on the downward path. Once that happens, I immediately stop, remove the comb from my hair, and I begin combing my hair from the point underneath the area which I met the resistance, and I start to work the knot out from beneath itself. Once the knot is successfully removed, I continue combing through my section from the bottom to the top until my comb can pass from the root to the ends of my hair without any hesitation or stops. Following these 5 tips, you can now see that my comb is able to pass through my hair freely without any knots or tangles. I've not ripped out any of my hair. My comb is free of snags and snarls. I'm just going to go ahead and go through that same process, starting at the ends of my hair on the other side of my head. After combing out my sections, I go through my hair with some more conditioner. I like to do that just to make sure my hair got all the love that it needs in this time. I have thin hair, thin, dry, chemically processed hair at that. So I really use this time to show some affection to my hair, make sure that my hair is fully saturated in that conditioner. And of course, I will go through my hair again at this time to ensure that my whole head is detangled. Hair is detangled. As you can see, the only hair in my comb is only hair loss through normal shedding. And it's time to rinse. Okay. So, ladies and gents, you should now have a full head of detangled curls. Unlocked locks. Who knew? At this point, styling your hair is totally up to you. Whether you're moving on to styling products or maybe even going on to the next step in your wash routine, the detangle process you saw will work for you every time. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one, Cam Fam. Happy detangling.